Good morning, everyone. Tributes paid to former CM late Bansilal on his death anniversary. Works held a condolence meeting at MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan's residence under the chairmanship of BJP District President Sunil Engineer Sports of former Cooperative Minister late Satpal Sangwan organized a condolence meeting at the residence of Charkhi Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan and paid tribute to the statue of former Chief Minister late Bansilal. After paid tribute to the statue of late Bansilal in the program, the works described the late Bansilal as the creator of Haryana. At the same time, MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan reached the tomb of late Bansilal in Golagad and paid tribute. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan said that he came to politics only after taking inspiration from his father, former minister late Satpal Sangwan, late Bansilal, and got this area developed only after taking inspiration from him. Now he will leave no stone unturned to make his father's dreams come true. Sunil Satpal Sangwan said that late Bansilal always worked for the welfare and development of the state by taking every section along the work done by them can never be forgotten. Today, Father Satpal Sangwan is not among us, so the memories of him and Bansilal become even more vivid. Both of them contributed significantly in moving forward on the path of development. I consider myself fortunate that I have received the patronage and values of such great personalities. The district will have active participation in the Cycle Yatra. Cyclothon will reach Dadri on 6 April. Jitendra Kumar. Register on Haryana Uday portal to participate in Cyclothon Nagaradhis under the Haryana Uday program. Cyclothon Cycle Yatra carrying the message of drug-free Haryana will enter the subdivision Barda of Dadri district on 6 April via Zui Khurd of Bihane. A registration link has been issued to join the Cyclothon Yatra on which any person can register. The purpose of this yatra is to make people aware against drug addiction. This was said by Nagaradhis Jitendra Kumar. He was presiding over a meeting held in the auditorium of the mini secretariat today related to the preparation for the yatra. On this occasion, the Nagaradhis called upon the Gram Panchayats, colleges, schools, NGOs, various associations, de-addiction centers of the district to participate in this yatra by joining the drug-free Haryana campaign. He said that the district will have active participation in the Cycle Yatra. On this occasion, he also appealed to the residents of the district to play their active role in this campaign against the drug abuse by registering as much as possible through the Haryana Uday portal uday.haryana.gov.in. Anti-drug Nagaradhis Jitendra said that the cyclothon will enter Dadri's subdivision Barda by Lohani Jui Khurd of Bhiwane on 6 April. On this occasion, he instructed the officers that the cyclothon should be given a great welcome with public participation after entering the Dadri district. During this journey, a positive message against drug abuse will be given to the During this journey, a positive message against drug abuse will be given to the residents of the district. Jitendra Kumar said that the objective of the cyclothon is to take the message of drug-free Haryana to every household, and for this, local youth, students, sports person, and social religious organizations should also be associated in maximum numbers. A retirement program was organized in the District Employment Office, Charkhi Dadri, on Friday in honor of Deputy Superintendent Jugtiram working in the office. On this occasion, all the employees and officers extend their heartfelt best wishes to the Deputy Superintendent on this occasion. District Employment Officer Miss Sasi said that the new employees of the office got to learn a lot from Jugtiram, and at the same time his gentle and simple nature impressed everyone. His leadership, knowledge and guidance were invaluable for everyone. She said that we'll all wish him a happy and healthy life. May this new chapter of life be full of happiness for him. On this occasion, Jugtiram also expressed his gratitude to the senior officers and employees of the office and said that the entire staff always supported him fully, and in future whenever he will need it, they will always be ready. On this occasion, District Employment Officer Miss Sashi, Assistant Employment Officer Dharminder Malik and Mayank Agarwal, along with all the employees of the office, were present and expressed their best wishes. Nagaradhis Jitendra Kumar heard public problems in Samadhan camp. Haryana government is successfully organizing Samadhan camps being organized every day with the same of solving the problems of the common man. On Friday, Samadhan camp was organized in the auditorium of Mini Secretariat under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma. In the Samadhan camp, Nagaradhis Jitendra Kumar heard the problems of the citizens and directed the officers of the concerned department present on the spot to solve them. He said that Haryana government is trying to solve the problems of the people of the state by giving priority to them. This is the reason why the government decided to organize Samadhan camps to solve the problems of the people, which is seen to be fully fruitful today. These Samadhan camps are being organized every working day from 10 a.m. to 12 noon in the auditorium of Deputy Commissioner office at the district level, and also in SDM offices located at the subdivision level. Avail 35% subsidy under Pradhan Mantri Micro Food Processing Enterprises Upgradation Scheme. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma. Under the Pradhan Mantri Micro Food Processing Enterprises Upgradation Scheme, a special initiative of the central government to promote the development of micro food processing enterprises, entrepreneurs are being provided the benefit of up to 35% subsidy. Under this scheme, interested a special initiative of the central government to promote the development of micro food processing enterprises, entrepreneurs are being provided the benefit of up to 35% subsidy. Under this scheme, interested entrepreneurs can apply for setting up and expanding their food processing industry. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the main objective of the scheme is to encourage micro enterprises and help in their economic development. To avail the benefits of the scheme, the minimum age of the applicant should be 18 years. Individuals, non-governmental organizations, cooperatives, partnership firms, and private limited companies can avail the benefits of this scheme. The entrepreneur will need certificates and registration. Beneficiaries of under scheme are also eligible for the PFMME scheme. He said that 35% capital subsidy will be provided on loan repayment for food processing units. The maximum subsidy limit is up to 10 lakh. So for more than 1200 units have been approved under this scheme. Interested entrepreneurs can contact on email pmfme.haryana@gmail.com and contact number 01722996509 for detailed information of the scheme and application process. NABARD's Agriculture Infrastructure Fund scheme provides better employment. Loan is available for 7 years. Loan repayment moratorium period is 2 years. Better means of employment can be established through the agriculture infrastructure and scheme launched by the Government of India through NABARD. Under the scheme, the concerned person gets a loan of up 2 crore rupees for a maximum period of 7 years, which also includes a loan repayment moratorium period of 2 years. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund scheme is being implemented in the state by Haryana and the central government, under which a loan provided on grants for various types of projects. Under the scheme, loans are provided for identify works related to agriculture. Under this scheme being run with the cooperation of NABARD, the farmer gets a loan for a maximum period of 7 years, which also includes a loan repayment moratorium period of 2 years. To avail the benefits of this scheme, one can apply online on the Agri-Infra portal. The list of required documents is also available on the portal. He informed that under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund scheme, agriculture entrepreneurs, startups, self-help groups, farmer producer organizations, joint liability groups, primary agriculture credit societies, marketing cooperative societies, multi-purpose cooperative societies, agriculture product marketing committees, and cooperative unions can avail loan facilities. This scheme includes post-harvest management projects like supply chain services, including e-marketing platforms, warehouses, silos, pack houses, testing unit, sorting and grading units, cold chain logistics facilities, primary processing centers, ripening rooms, and under wild bulb projects. Health awareness camp organized under TB Free India campaign. A special TB awareness camp was organized by the Red Cross Society Haryana and Charkhi Dadri branch in the SBEPL Crescent Zone of Village Kalyana, courtesy of the Indian Red Cross Society Haryana branch Chandigarh and in the collaboration with the Health Department. The aim of this campaign was to make the works and local residents aware for TB eradication. This camp was organized under the guidance of Ankush Miglani, in which Pradhan Haryana Mining Crusher Organization Sombir Sangwan specially participated. He praised this campaign and said that it is very important to organize such camps from time to time so that the works can be made aware of a serious disease like TB, and a significant contribution can be made towards making India TB free. The health experts present on this occasion gave information about the symptoms prevention and treatment of TB. Along with this, free medical consultation and necessary investigation services were also provided to the works and villagers present. On the successful organization of the camp, Red Cross Society Secretary Balwant Singh expressed his heartfelt gratitude to the Crescent Orange and workers. He said that such health awareness campaign helps every person in the society to lead a healthy life. Through this initiative, the Red Cross Society and Health Department are trying to ensure that every section of the society gets complete information about the prevention and treatment of diseases like TB, so that the dream of TB-free India can be realized soon. So thank you very much for watching PPT News, and I am humble request to all my friends, please subscribe our channel PPT News. Thank you. नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, जय हिंद, जय भारत, टेक केयर। नमस्कार जी रामफल, सुनो शारदा 90.8 FM के माध्यम से आपसे निवेदन कर रहा हूं कि टीवी को नजरअंदाज करना आपके जीवन में मुसीबत को आमंत्रित करने जैसा है, इसलिए इसे नजरअंदाज न करें और इलाज लें। टीबी का इलाज सरकारी स्वास्थ्य केंद्र पर बिल्कुल मुफ्त में होता है। आइए इस बीमारी से लड़ें और एक सभ्य स्वस्थ समाज का निर्माण करें।